First, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you a big bang meme coin here. Binance recent list this meme coin. Okay, you can see CZ stock is named Brooklyn symbol 0.048 current price. And just 2 days ago, this meme coin was listed on Binance Exchange, but due to a recent market crash, this meme coin did not make any hype and not pump huge here. Still, its market cap is just 48 million. So this meme coin is dog theme meme coin in BNB ecosystem and already listed on Binance and a new dog theme meme coin. So is it possible that CZ coin can be the next $1 billion market meme coin? Can we see its listing on Coinbase soon or not? So videos be very special, very important. You have to just for the complete video here. Friends, I see new coins on Binance Exchange. This meme coin is here. Brooklyn, Mubarak, both are BNB ecosystem meme coins. But Brooklyn is here. Okay, current price is $0.047, dropped by almost 6% after Binance listing. You can see its chart. Okay, just 4 days ago was listed here and hit all-time high price of $0.08. Right now we are going very low here. Last 24-hour trading volume on one central exchange, that is Binance. Okay, on Binance exchange is $7 million. I'm also holding this meme coin. Recently I buy for I think $15, but current worth about 14.7 dollars only. I have 314 brutally coins on Binance exchange. I'm going to hold this coin for at least next 8 month here, because friends, you can see last 24 hour pump dump by almost 16% here. Okay, and current market cap is just 48.8 million dollars only. So we can say this is Binance listed meme coin and its market cap is just 48 million. So this is very low market cap, but this is good for us if you can buy this coin at low price, at low market cap. Last 24-hour trading volume is $52 million. This is good. 1 billion coin supply, all in circulation. Another BNB ecosystem meme coin, dog theme meme coin, 4 meme ecosystem, Binance Alpha Sport Live. So this is really amazing. We are 81% down in its all-time high. They were 1 month ago, and all-time low was 25 days ago. Wherefrom we are still 140% up here. Did Binance listed this meme coin recently? So mostly central exchanges has listed this coin. You can see, friends, mostly central exchange listing done for Berkeley. France website is also looking good. Okay, you can see Berkeley is helping is stray animal friends, and you can also donate. You can ask you request also. It's official contact creators here. You can, okay, you can see all further details about this meme coin on their website. Total 641 attributable souls rescued for this meme coin. This is good. 39,800 holders. Okay, 39,800 holders for Brooklyn coin within just 1 month of its launching. This is amazing. Binance holding 26% of supply, current worth about $12 million. Okay, so total supply is 48 million. Out of them, 12 million on Binance, that's 26% of total. You can see, friends, PancakeSwap, that is BNB DEX, holding 7.7% supply. These some DEXs and Chimpanzee Binance. Okay, Binance Exchange XCO is also holding 1% of Brooklyn coins. So this is good. This Binance Exchange CEO is also holding. These are other top 50 wallets. They are holding this coin. Okay, so no doubt, friends, token is looking very good. But friends, before price prediction for Brooklyn coin, if you not join my Telegram channel, you can also join my Telegram channel for other cryptocurrencies, for other meme coins, and my videos information here. Those meme coins information that I'm not making in videos, you can get all updates on my Telegram channel. So link in description. You can also join my Telegram channel. Francis Broccoli has currently $48 million market cap, but I think definitely this dog theme meme coin CZ stock has potential to be the next maybe 10 to 20 billion dollars market cap coin. Maybe can be the number one market cap meme coin in BNB ecosystem, because we have already Koma Inu coin that is listed in Binance Future. We have Baby Dogecoin that is listed in Binance Sport. We have Floki Inu coin that is in $1 billion market cap. Okay, so CZ coin can also join then and be the next $1 billion market meme coin. I think in this year super cycle meme coins mega balloon, we can see Broccoli from around $50 million to maybe its market up to 10 to 20 billion dollars here. What's your price prediction? Are you holding Broccoli or not? You can must comment down below.